Give me one thing you did today and or one thing you ate. I want to know. All right, so we have to do this fast. We only got an hour and 40 minutes to finish this kяра弁. This kяра弁is for what's your name again on Twitch? Jody. QuarterJade, thank you. So I'm gonna be making one for Jody. It's her birthday coming up on the 25th, if you guys did not know. So we're gonna be making a kяра弁for her. I'm just gonna give this to her. She can just have it. I'm already got the note written, like we're ready. I did some prep work. Got her little saucies in there, you know. And I got a little note in there. Says happy birthday, good luck. And we're gonna do a two stacker. So I figured I'd do one. One is gonna be her favorite's a heart, or it's her most used, I think. Her love emote. Is this love, right? Is it love? I don't see love. That one's harder. I like the heart. Got it printed out already. Good to go. So I think we're doing ketchup. Maybe I'll go grab some salami, do that real quick. Get some nori around that. She has egg whites for the shirt. Maybe I'll find some cheese instead. I don't know. We'll do the nori per use for the hair. Nori for the eyes, eyebrows, little baby mouth, little handy boys. So that's what we're going to do for the first one. But on the second stack, we are going to do this guy. I don't know how we're going to do it yet, but we are going to get this fall guy. Probably rice, like all white rice, right? And then maybe we'll do something for the outfit. And then like we'll do nori around to cut the shape out. Let's go to the kitchen. So this is the quick one I just made for John. Got some chicken and some beef, and then I put some vegetables so he can make sure he eats his veggies, and then some rice. Everyone in chat, it's cool, right? No narcs, right? I'm just double checking. If there's no narcs, I'm gonna show you guys something really funny. If you're a cop, you gotta tell me if you're a cop, dude. All right, got a little note for Tomasa. You suck, brotherly love, right? Let's start with the fall guy first. All right, let's turn off the lights for now. Oh, that's so much better. Oh yeah. Okay, that's going to be the shape. This is going to be easy mode. Let's do ones for the hands. It is hard, dude. This is hard, dude. What the hell, dude? I think that's as good as we're going to get. I think the move is we'll just do hair on this one. Okay, that's the hair. Done. Let's do the face now. Eyebrows, hearts, eyelashes right there. Boom. We'll smile. And that's her face, okay? Let's do one for her body, outline the body. That, really simple. Okay, now our hearts. The love. Now we're just gonna do the whole thing and then put the arms over it. Okay, now this is what we're working with. Got rice, mac. I got some beef and then some teriyaki chicken. Got some vegetables. So this is all this stuff we'll be shoving into the kяра弁. I also got a spam musubi. I don't know how I'm gonna implement that, but we'll see. Would you guys buy a gamer knife for gamers? I just washed my hands, but I'm gonna put on gloves anyway. I'm putting some water in a bowl. I can handle the rice better. Maybe I'll get some saran wrap. We'll try it a few ways. If this doesn't work, I have another alternative way to do it. Basically, I'm gonna try and get the shape of it and mold it around like that. Okay, going like that. Okay, kind of compact it a little bit. Okay, it's slowly getting that shape right. That's what we're looking for. So that's the body right there. Flatten it out like so. We got the bodies done. Boom. Throw that right there. Let's figure out the little army dudes. That much? It's a little too much. Okay, Grant. Jesus, dude. Get your shit together. That's a little beefy arm. Okay. That's good for the arm. Let's get little feet boys going. Not a lot. That seems good. It's a little bit bigger than usual, but hey. Okay, we got arm, foot. Let's get going. Now when handling rice, tip number 1. You get some of this water. Dab your hands in it. 1 foot done. Like that, I think. Okay. Goes like that. Like there. Yeah. Would have been much easier. What do you mean? 2D? Probably. But I want to try this. Because I gotta challenge myself, I'll probably be doing more Fall Guys stuff. You know what they say about practice. Mom's spaghetti. Oh no. Maybe I will not tweet this one out to Fall Guys because this looks shitty already. Maybe the one I do in 2D will look better. You know what? You're right, Dragon. Let's do it in 2D. Smash this guy down. So I guess I'm just gonna cut this out of nori. Let's do this real quick. I need a cutting board. Where's my cutting board? We got the seaweed boys. Okay, just cutting the nori out. I think this is what the move's gonna be. I wasn't gonna do that originally, but you know what? We don't have a lot of time. Get the face out. Come on. Huh. Okay. It's so cute. So I think this is what I'm gonna do to kind of make sure, because it often wilts. So I think I'm gonna add some mayonnaise to make sure it sticks. You don't need a lot. I'm just kind of using it like a glue, if you will. There we go. That should be good enough. Place it on top. That's cute. How am I gonna do the eyes? Sesame seed? That's true. I don't have any black sesame seed. Damn it. That's a good idea though. There we go. We got the fall guy in there. Boom, done. And we'll put some mac in there. A little too much. Yeah, that's macaroni salad right there. Looks good. Let's get some meat in her. Try to pack this as much meat as possible. There we go. There we go. We got the fall guy done. Completed. Alright, this is gonna take a little bit longer. 15 minutes. Alright. Okay, this one's gonna have a little compartment on it. Alright, I'm gonna use the rest of this rice in this one. So I got chocolate on over here. I'm gonna flatten this down. Flatten it out like so. Alright, let's do the hair right now. Actually, no, let's throw this on here. Oh crap, I need lunch meat for her face. Come on. Yes. Yes. We got the hair. We got her hair going. Kind of trim it up a little bit. Give her a little haircut. Okay. Hair done. Okay, let's do the meat right now. We're gonna try and kind of freestyle it. Kind of flatten it out. I'm rushing this too much, dude. Oh, I don't have this saran wrap, you guys. Always saran wrap, you guys. Use protection on your meats, or else it's gonna look ugly. It's so ugly. Oh, I have to do hands. What am I doing? Ugh. Okay, that looks good enough for hands. I got hands, but I need the heart first. Where's the heart? What do we make the heart out of? Salami. Saran wrap. Use protection for your meat, you guys. You never know, you guys. Now beat your meat. Okay, this is the move. I'm gonna first puncture everything with this, and then I'm gonna go over it again with the knife. Now let's go over it again, just in case. Like so. Let's cut it out. Take the protection off. What are we gonna do about the shirt, you guys? Ah, I didn't think of that far. Think of that far. The hell happened to this hand? Go like that. I'll ketchup it up. Fuck it. Ooh, mayonnaise. I'll use mayonnaise. It's a lot of mayonnaise, but hey. Shit, we're late, you guys. We're late. Let's hurry it up. We got a podcast. We gotta be professionals. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom. Alright. We're sitting pretty. Look at that. It's a pink shirt now, but not for long. Let's fix that. This looks so scuffed, you guys. Oh my god. We're not gonna do the face. We'll just pretend the pepperoni's covering it up. There we go. But yeah, we did it, guys. It took me 2.5 hours. Damn, that's gotta be a record for me. There it is, you guys. We did it. We did it. Look at that. We're so talented. Look at us go. Look at us. We're the dudes. Hopefully she likes it. I don't know.
Well, you guys are done. We did it. I just wanted to do this before the Bromodachi, so I will be on the Bromodachi podcast. You can go to, can we get a shout out to Osomatsu, Pulse JP. Wait, Pulse still isn't on? Are you kidding me? Oh, John's on. Let's go rate him.